How to download and install Adobe Lightroom on PC and Mac. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process to download and install Lightroom on your computer. To get started, head down and click the link in the description down below. This is going to take you across to the official Adobe website. And then we're going to head up to the top left-hand side, click on Creativity and Design, and under Featured Products, select Lightroom. This is going to take us across to the Lightroom homepage, and you can have a look at all the amazing features that you get access to in Lightroom. At the bottom, you can explore even more amazing Lightroom features that you get access to. For this video, we want to show you how to download and install it on your PC or your Mac. So we're going to click on the free trial button at the bottom. Now we have three options. We can choose between the Lightroom only option, the photography plan, or the Creative Cloud Pro plan. Now the photography plan gives you Adobe Photoshop and Lightroom, whereas the Creative Cloud Pro gives you access to all of the apps that Adobe offers. Now this is completely up to you. If you're just a photographer, then the photography option will work best for you. If you want to try out all the other apps like Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and all the cool things, and you're also interested in the AI features that Adobe offers, then you're going to get 4,000 monthly generative credits that you can use to do amazing things with the Adobe apps. So we're going to go with the Creative Cloud Pro option. Then we need to choose between a monthly subscription, annual billed monthly, or annual prepaid. If you're a high roller, you can go with annual prepaid. If you want to go for the annual billed monthly, it's a slightly cheaper option, but please do take into account that if you cancel before the 12 months is up, before the year finishes, then fees do apply for canceling early. If you just want to use it for a few months after the 7-day free trial, then go for the monthly only option because you can cancel with no fee. Then we're going to add in the 7-day free trial of Adobe Stock because you get access to 10 standard assets that are really cool to use in all of the amazing creative work that you are doing. You can cancel this at the end of the 7-day free trial if you don't want to continue with it. Once you've made your selections, click the blue continue button. Then we're going to enter our email address, and I want you to check that you're getting access to the 7-day free trial for the Creative Cloud Pro, and you're getting the 7-day free trial for the Adobe Stock. And you can do this by checking that the due now is in fact 0. And then just take note of the date that your 7-day free trial ends and how much is going to be charged for the subscription option that you chose. Once you've checked everything and you are happy, you can enter your payment information to activate your free trial. Then the Creative Cloud app will download on your computer and you can install Lightroom and get started editing your amazing photos. If you have any questions or queries about downloading and installing Adobe Lightroom on your PC or your Mac, let us know in the comment section down below and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope you enjoy Lightroom as much as we do.